Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to publish an unpublished page. If you want to do this, first of all you have to log in your Facebook. So I'm going to log in Facebook. You can see this is my Facebook. So I'm going to log in here in Facebook Lite. Then you can find here such kind of interface, and at the top of the side you can see here three dot line. Next you can see here there is page, the sign of page. So just click on it. It's okay. Then click on see all, and you can see here there is unpublished pages. So before going to the process, I'm gonna request you all, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting all new videos. It's okay guys. Then you can see here there is three dot line. So just click on three dot line. Right now you can find here there is view page. Okay, then you can see view page. Here you can view your page. Okay, right now scroll down and you can see here there is publish your page. So just click on it. So you can publish your page that way. So if you want to publish another one, just go there. If you want to publish this one, so just click on three dot line and click on publish page. So I'm gonna click on publishing, where this page has been published.